So, welcome everyone. My name is Mr. Siddharth Thakur. I am the lecturer of AutoCAD in Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. So, this is the fifth lecture, and we will see the first practical of the software, that is how to draw, that is, use the software to draw one simple 2D diagram using draw command individually. So we have already seen how to draw simple diagrams using draw command, and we have also seen how to modify it. So this is the first practical and the easiest practical of all time, that is draw a simple 2D diagram. So 2D diagram can be anything. It could be circle, it could be rectangle, it could be ellipse, it could be a oval shape, anything it could be, but it is in 2D. So you guys have already learned how to draw circle, rectangle, and that is the 2D diagram. But in addition to this 2D diagram, what we will do, we will name the diagram, whether it is a circle, whether it is a rectangle, okay, whether it is a line. We will also see how to dimensions that, how to use or how to put dimension on that particular object. So we will here they have told us to draw only one object. As you can see, only one object, draw one simple object. But here we will draw two objects over here, that is, we will draw a circle and we will draw a rectangle. Okay, so uh, to draw a rectangle, I'm telling you the dimensions of it. That is, it should length all around 50 mm, and the width should be around 20 mm. Okay, so this is dimension for the rectangle. Okay, I will tell you how to draw or how to name the objects in the end of the session. Okay, so what we will draw a circle of 500 mm. Okay, don't ignore this. This is for rectangle. Okay, I will draw a partition in it. Wait a minute. Okay, on this part we will draw a circle, and this part we will draw a rectangle of this much dimensions. Okay, so draw a circle, select the circle, or what you can do is press C, and you will pop up with the screen with the first name as circle, or select it. This is the shortcut for the circle. It is telling me specify the center point of the circle. So I want to draw a circle starting from here. So with a single left click of the mouse, make a single click and drag your mouse outwards. Okay, now I want to draw a circle of 500 radius, or you can say no, 500, not 500. I will do it around 30 mm. Okay, so I will press 3030 and press enter, and then escape. Okay, so this is the circle that we have drawn. Okay, so this is a circle we have drawn with the simple 2D diagram. Circle is a 2D diagram. Okay, now we will see how to name it. Okay, so this is circle. The spelling of the circle is CIRCLE, circle. So we want to place that spelling over at the bottom of the circle. So how we will do it? Go to the text, that is the next toolbar, that is the annotation toolbar. So after clicking it with a single click, we will select it. What we have to do is we have to make a box. Initially we have to make a box to place that particular word. So with a single click I will make a box. This much box is enough. Okay, after making a box, they are telling me to type. So CIRCLE is the spelling of the circle, and with the other click, it has been placed. Okay, so as you can see, I have typed circle over here, but the spelling is quite offset, means it has gone to the left of the image or to the object. I want to bring it over here. So how we are going to do it? We'll use the move command and move the entire spelling over here. So the shortcut for move command is M, enter. They're telling me select the object. So here, this is my object. It has turned blue, and with the enter, it will tell me to select this base point. So This is how we have moved the circle spelling to the bottom, to the center of the object. Okay, so I've told, we have done with the text command. Now we will see how to measure this radius, how to measure the dimension of the circle, that is how to measure the radius of the circle. Okay, so as you can see, here are many dimension measuring tools, that is the linear command, align, angular, arc, radius, diameter. So here we want to measure the diameter of the circle, sorry, the radius of the circle. So we will select the radius. It is telling me select the arc of the circle. So after selecting it, it is telling me that the radius of the circle is 30 millimeter. Okay, so this is how we will give the dimension. Now we will draw a rectangle, okay, of length 50 mm and width 20 mm. So I've already told you how to draw a rectangle. The shortcut for rectangle is REC, that is rectangle, and with the first enter we will be in the command. Or you can do is go to the rectangle toolbar, draw toolbar, select the rectangle command and bring your cursor to the center. Okay, so it is telling me specify the first corner. So with a single click, click the mouse one time and drag your mouse. Okay, now to put the dimensions in it, what you have to do, don't place the, I have not placed it. Okay, don't place the don't place the object. What you will do is press D, enter. After pressing D, enter, it is telling me specify the length of the rectangle, that is 50. i've I've typed 50, press enter. Now it is telling me specify the width of the rectangle. Okay, type 20 and press enter. And now press the left click of the mouse. Okay, so this is how to draw a rectangle. Okay, now I want to draw a spelling, I want to type the spelling RECTANGLE, rectangle. So what I will do is go to the annotation, select text, bring my cursor over here and make a box for the spelling. Okay, so it is telling me type the spelling. So RECTANGLE. Okay, and with a single click we have placed the rectangle spelling. What we will do is move this rectangle spelling towards a little right. How we are going to do it? Move it, select the object, press enter and select the base point and start moving it wherever you want. Okay, I will do it again. Oh, wait a minute guys. Okay, it's been moved. Okay, so now we will see the actual width, actual the dimensions or actual dimensions of the rectangle. So how we are going to do it? We will select the linear. Okay, so from after selecting the linear command, linear means the straight line. Okay, we want to see this dimension. So click it once, click the other end and drag your mouse upward, and after at a particular distance, make a single other left click. Okay, so it is telling me 50 mm. Again what I will do is select linear and we will see the width of the rectangle, first corner, second corner, and that's it. So this is how we will draw a simple 2D diagram, and we will use notations, a toolbar to draw, to name the object and also to find the dimensions of the object. So this was the first practical to draw a simple 2D object. In the practical it was only one object, we have drawn two simple 2D objects. So thank you for today.